What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so if you hear my kids in the background. So this look is actually inspired by the shirt that I'm wearing today. My mother gave it to me and I was like, that's hella inspo. So this is the kind of look that I came up with. I feel like it'll look much better with like lashes and everything like that. And so obviously I used tape, so they needed to be even. So I already taped this side. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I am already prepped and primed with my P. Louise base. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking this shade right here. I'm just gonna take this and pack it right here. So I'm just packing this down just in the like half circle shape. And then I'm just blending it up a little bit. Like so. Next, I'm gonna take this brown shade right here. And this shade right here is super, super pigmented, so I'm not going too heavy with it. And then I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to very lightly start to blend the edges with it. And I'm just doing little tiny circle motions. I'm being very light-handed. And then I'm going to go back in with the other colors to just deepen this up until it's where I want it to be. Right, now that I'm satisfied with the blend, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, of course using my P. Louise base and my Simply Simon number 10 brush. Alright, so I just went ahead and just cut my crease out along this line of tape. And then I'm going to go back into this first shade right here. And I'm just going to pack it along the tape and my waterline. What's really nice about the tape is you could be really messy and it's alright. So you can just pack it down all the way up. And then I'm going to go into this shade again. And I'm just going to deepen this up. And then I'm going to take the last shade, tap it down. Alright, I am next going to take this blue shade here. And I'm going to pat it down at the top of this cut crease that I did here. And I'm just patting this down to get the maximum payoff. And then I'm going to take this lighter blue shade here. I'm going to pat this down directly under the blue here. And then lastly, I'm going to take this shade here, just on the same brush, and just pat it along the lighter blue shade down at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Suva Beauty Space Panda liner. Okay, so I am back. I just did the white liner, and then I went ahead and did the rest of my face. And then now I'm going to go ahead and finish the eyes. So I'm just going to take the same shades that I used to blend this out. So I'm going to start with the dark brown. And I'm just going to keep this very close to the waterline. I'm going to bring it all the way in. And then I'm going to go back in with that like pinky shade, maroon, I guess. I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to take my Kiss Me Now lashes, and these are in Soulmate. So I just put on mascara, and then I fucking blinked. Fucked my shit up a little bit. It's alright. It's alright. We're just going to let it dry and scrape it off. So I'm just going to apply my lashes really quickly. Okay, so my lashes are nice and secured on. So I'm now going to take some of this shade right here. I just wanted to add a little bit of spice to this look. So I'm going to put this in my inner corner. And then I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Brain Freeze palette. And I'm just going to take Freeze Tag, which is actually what I use to highlight the rest of my face. I'm going to take some of that for my brow bone. Okay, I think that just about does it. Alright, we have the full completed look. I mean, come on, doesn't that look like my shirt? I mean, alright. I feel like brown looks like the best on me personally, so I really think that this is like, this does it for me right here. This is everything I need right here. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about my face makeup or anything like that, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. I also do leave all the stuff, the products and stuff that I use in the like description thingy box part thing. So yeah, so if you have any questions, definitely let me know. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.